I would like to open the fact that I am much better than all the other engines on this railway, including the forbidden New York Central Hudson. I would like to explain to my new owner that I will not be pulling any goods train whatsoever, that I am a eternal express engine. Hi everybody, it's me. Okay, it has not been long since the mailman has been, and something has arrived today, and it is this. Yes, it may not look like much. It's a box, I know, but inside here is what you've read in the title, what you saw, what the thumbnail you saw. I'm sorry. So, I am really excited. So let's get this open right now. Okay, sorry if I might get in the shot, but I don't think I would. Okay. So. Oh, Jesus. Oh, okay. Alright. Sorry if I'm not talking much, I'm just really excited. Okay. Sorry for the slight cut there, my address did pop in here. Alright, now let's see what everybody's after. Oh, it's in this bubble wrap. Alright, chunk that to one side. Here we go. Let me bring the camera closer so you can see it. Hopefully I'll be able to get this in shot. Oh, it's behind this white card. Alright. I didn't expect that. But, anyways, let's get this out of the box. Okay, I said this in the previous video. I'll say it again. Just because it is an unboxing does not mean it's a review. So do not criticize me on that junk. Alright, now let's open this. Oh, by the way, here's the product code. It's R383. Gordon, the big blue engine. And is he behind this white card? And indeed he is. Now look at that. Before I take him out, here's some instructions that he came with. I'm really glad he came with instructions because I might need to do some maintenance on him. Here we go. Locomotive operation and maintenance. Oh, okay, it's a ring-field motor. Alright. So, here's all that. And all that. Alright. Cool. Okay, I can deal with that. Alright, now let's get Gordon out. Ooh. Oh, here's the detail pack, actually. What's this? Oh, okay. Here's some lamp irons. That's the pipes. Yeah, lamp irons usually come fitted with him, but for this Gordon, not so much. He looks in really good condition. Now we can get him out. It's kind of tight. Is there holes? Yes, there's holes. Come on, Gordon. All right. Wow. Look at him. Now, I know a lot of you will know that this Gordon doesn't look like the actual Gordon from the TV show. And that's usually because Hornby's design is really... Oh, he's got oval buffers. Huh, he usually comes with the round buffers, wouldn't he? Did the previous owner take the buffers off from this Gordon? Anyways, I don't mind that. But yeah, he doesn't look like the Gordon from the TV show. But hey, I don't really mind that. It's Gordon. It is what it is. All right, put him down now for the tender. Tender's tender's very heavy since the motor's in here. Oh wow, this the axle boxes are die cast. That's nice. Very nice. Yes, the motor is in the tender. It's made in China, and I know it'll bug a lot of you people that there's this part is blue rather than black, but yeah, it doesn't really bother me much. But if it does bother anybody, I'm sorry. I think my fingerprints are getting on here, are they? Oh well. But yeah, that is the Hornby Gordon. Let me bring him in, put the tender with him. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, look at that. Doesn't he look awesome? Alright, now let's get him on a track and see if he runs. If he doesn't run, I'll probably have to do some maintenance, but yeah, let's see if he runs. Okay, I am now getting Gordon ready to be on the track. Here is his tender. He is tender driven. I did say that before when I mentioned that his motor's heavy. I might have to do some maintenance on him, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Yeah, he does feel kind of bit rough. Let me adjust this, but I will do just a little test just in case he runs, or if he does run pretty roughly, I'll still do some maintenance on him. But yeah, let's see if he at least moves. Let's see. Yep, he does move, but he does. Well, at least he works, but he does feel a little bit rough. His wheels are kind of still, so hey, at least he works. All right, I'll do some maintenance on him. I'll be right back. All right, well, I couldn't get the body off entirely. I think he just needed a lubrication. That's probably about it. I think he might have to oil the tender at some point too. But let's see if he does move since I lubricated his wheels. No, come on, Gordon. Okay. Alright, he's just... Oh. Come on, dude. He's just moving. Come on, Gordon. You can do it. Oh. Let's see if he'll make it around here. Come on, Gordon. Woo. Well, at least he runs. I might have to do some further maintenance on him. I can try, but yeah. He is kind of old, I will say. He's a made in China Gordon. It does say he has a Ringfield motor, but yeah. I will have to try and do some maintenance on him if I can. So yeah, there's that. See if it'll keep going. He might just have to run a bit more. But yeah. Right, I think I might have gotten it. He's going in the other direction because I think he runs better in this direction. I did tested it just a second ago. He ran on the other direction. He ran backwards fine. Not the direction he's at now, but the direction that he was in previously. He ran backwards okay, which is oddly enough, but he couldn't go forwards all right. So yeah, I'm not too sure what's going on. I couldn't go deeper into the body because you know, Hornby stuff is a bit difficult to get into sometimes, but yeah. But anyways, he does run forward. Watch this. Not too perfect, but hey, he's all right. Oh nope, I zoomed in on those engines. See, he runs a lot better in this direction. I think he might need some warming up. So actually, I'll let him do. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, my bad. There we go. So yeah, I think he might need some warming up, and then after he warms up a little bit, I'll run him with some coaches. Now bear in mind, I don't have any coaches for Gordon. I actually did order a Hornby brake coach for him. The Hornby composite ones are hard to get. I know Bachmann now made or re-released the Gordon's coaches that used to be rare. Now they're not anymore. So yeah, there's that. So I'll let Gordon run around for a little bit, and I'll put some coaches on him. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, you are never gonna believe this. I actually found the problem on why Gordon wasn't running as smooth as he should be. So, let me move the camera down here. So, Gordon is tender driven, obviously. All the Hornby Gordons that you get will be tender driven. So, what's actually kind of weird is that this model is probably from the early 2000s, I would say, because it's made in China, Hornby Gordon. And these things are powered by a much later ring-filled motor. So, yeah, what was going on? There was a gear in this motor that wasn't in properly a little bit, and one of the wheels on the bottom here was not was a freewheeling, and it shouldn't be doing that. So one wheel was pretty much driving Gordon. So I opened the tender up, I fixed it, and watch this. He runs fine now. Alright, bring him back, because I set up some coaches for him. Now, like I said, these are the only coaches I have. I do have a Great Western Railway restaurant car, but I'm not going to add that because Gordon's from the LMER. Yeah. There you go, Gordon. I got you your very own Express. I hope these coaches are okay for you, because at the moment I do not have your style of coaches. So, take it away, Gordon. And look at that. He can hold that train with ease. So that is it for the unboxing of the Hornby Gordon. I really do hope you enjoyed this one. I most certainly did. I have fun running him. Yeah, he's awesome. He's actually my first Thomas and Friends character in 2 years. The last one I got was Thomas. And check it out, Thomas. You are reunited with Gordon. Kinda. But yeah, I think he'd rather prefer Percy, wouldn't he? But oh well. So yeah, there's that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.